Hi, I'm Jacinda Duca and I'm the coordinator of Plant to Plate Aotearoa. Plant to Plate is a community organisation and we are celebrating 10 years this year of teaching primary school aged children how to vegetable garden and cook with the produce that they produce. During our sessions, all the students get a chance to examine seeds, plant vegetable plants and feed the soil. They also create a recipe using healthy produce. We teach essential life skills such as setting a table correctly. We demonstrate proper table etiquette. We encourage the students to try a little of everything on their plate and use positive words around the food that they're eating. Our volunteers are there to support and encourage the students, and our sessions are a lot of fun. It's wonderful to see these children taking real pride in what they've achieved. And these positive outcomes is something that makes our programs so popular in our community.